Welcome back, familiar to Northside LDN. Big up to everyone that is locked in. And today we've got Slot has to go. Slot has to go. And this is coming from an Arsenal fan. Slot has to leave Liverpool if Liverpool are going to move forward. And before we get into this clip, into this video, this is a football discussion show for entertainment and opinion only. Everything here is about the sport. We do not involve politics, personal targeting, or hate. Let's talk football. Now, Slot, this guy, when the starting 11 is performing and everyone's bad, everyone's dropping poor performances, it ain't the players. It's the manager. It's the manager. It's the system. Because 11 players to be dropping stinkers, it's not a coincidence, not a bad day at the office. Liverpool this season have been absolutely shambolic. Let's just be real. Let's just be real. Some of the performances have been shambolic. The way they got absolutely dismantled against Man City, this ain't the first time. This ain't the first time that Liverpool have been embarrassed this season. Losing to Man United, losing to Brentford, losing to Chelsea. It's been happening all season. And it's crazy because after performances like the way Liverpool played against Atletico Madrid, the way they dominated Real Madrid, the way they slapped up Frankfurt, and this is the performance. Honestly, Slot has to go, especially with the level of investment that Liverpool have had. You can't be excusing it. And listen, I'm an Arsenal fan. I keep the same energy with Arteta. You spend money, there's expectation. You get the players in that you want, there's expectation. Maybe Liverpool made too many changes or brought in too many players and made too many shifts on the team. Obviously, Trent leaving, trying to renew the fullbacks, trying to get a new number 10, a striker, whatever the case may be. Ekatike has been the one that's been probably the most consistent out of the new signings. Probably Ekatike. Other than that, the rest of them have not been of the standard. VIDS, not good enough. Not good enough. On that left wing, you were good against Real Madrid, against Man City, dropping stinkers. Whether you play him in a 10, you play him in the wing, inconsistent. Slobosly, inconsistent. Had a great performance against Real Madrid as well, inconsistent. Mo Salah has been inconsistent, ineffective against Man City. Not good enough. Not good enough. The bad form is now affecting Ekatike that did absolutely nothing against Man City. And let's just keep it real. The whole approach to the game against Man City, the press, it's just press. Certain games, you need to fall back, hit them on a counter. That's where you're going to get success against Man City. But instead, what did Slot do against Man City? Just keep pressing them. And they were just bopping it. Foden bopping it. Gundogan bopping it. Cherky just bopping it. Doku just running straight past the press with ease. With absolute ease. The biggest compliment that I had for Slot last year was the way he could adapt to opposition. There's no adaptation. And when you do see the adaptation, you see the lineup that he put up against the Palace with the kids. What formation was that? Playing the kids. I don't even know what formation that is. I don't even know what to call that formation. Honestly, it's poor, man. It's poor. With a team that at the start of the season, most people were saying we're going to win the league. I said that Liverpool are going to win the league. Not playing like this, for me, they're out of the title race. It's done now for them. For a team, champion. How do you go from champions last year to getting rid of players like Darwin Núñez and all these other players to upgrade to Isaks and Ekatikes and getting all these players? VIDS came in with a big reputation, and then this is what you see. It's poor, man. It's really, really poor. And the thing is, there's multiple players that have been dropping inconsistent performances. Gravenberch and McAllister. Great against Real Madrid. Poor against Man City. Connor Bradley, man of the match against Real Madrid. Poor against City. Konate's been dropping stinkers. That high line has been exposing them. Yet Slot continues to play the high line. Your defense has been rocky. Your defense, you're exposing your defense. It's either he's playing a high line, or he's playing the kids, or he implements the wrong tactics up against the opposition. Against Man City, it was just the wrong tactics. Committing too many players forward and getting caught out. Not nullifying Doku on that right-hand side. Connor Bradley getting cooked. Even the substitutions. Gakpo comes on, has a chance, doesn't bury it. But let's be real. The match was done and buried. The match was buried. Players not closing down Doku. Players not closing down Nunes. Players not closing down Nico. It's just the basics at times with Liverpool that is poor. The basics. Even their attack. Like, what happens? You play with so much intensity against Real Madrid, you should have slapped them up. And then going up against Man City, you've got all the running, but the quality in the final third, the quality in the build-up, it's overall, it's really poor. And it has to land with the manager, because you've got players there. You've got a team there that were champions, and you added quality. You added Isak that I would have taken at Arsenal. You added Wirtz that had a massive reputation. One would Bayer Leverkusen. You added players. And what is going on? What is going on with Liverpool? You know, even when Liverpool, you know, when Liverpool gave away the penalty, Conor Bradley and Konate doing foolishness, giving away a penalty. Your goalkeeper saves the penalty from Haaland. What's the reaction? Back to the same thing. Press. It ain't going to work all the time. It's the same. It's like the opposite mistake with Arteta. Arteta's always playing the defensive football. We drop points against Sunderland. Liverpool, press. It doesn't work against everybody. It doesn't work against everyone. Unless you're going to get Wirtz on the ball, he needs to receive the ball in the central areas to affect. He hasn't got the pace to lose the fullback. Nunes comfortably dealt with him. O'Reilly comfortably dealing with Salah. Where's the opportunities to feed Salah? Where's the opportunities to feed Ekitike? The one thing that was saving Liverpool at the start of the season was their attack. Even when the defense was poor, it was their attack. Look at their attack against Man City. I said it before. There's too many fires. I just feel like the job has just been too much right now for Slot. And I just feel like, really and truly, if I was a Liverpool fan, I'd be looking at it and saying, yo, let's see if we can get Glasner. Because we know Glasner's going to get taken up by a big club. There's already reports that, you know, there was reports that Glasner, that Man United were looking at Glasner, take it or leave it. You know what I mean? Believe what you want to believe. I take it with a pinch of salt. Glasner would be cooking with this Liverpool team. Look at the way he's got Crystal Palace cooking. If I was a Liverpool fan, I'd be saying, yo, get rid of this guy right now. Let's go and get Glasner. We ain't got time for this. He's won a trophy. He's doing really well with Crystal Palace. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's not waste no time. Because it doesn't matter what lineup. It's just the inconsistency to win anything. I don't see Liverpool this season now winning anything. Liverpool went from me for being the team that I predicted to win the Champions to Premier League to now I don't think that they can win anything. They got slapped up by Crystal Palace twice this season. Twice. Meu Deus, tá complicado. Tá complicado. I don't know, bro. Like, for me, nah, bro. Virgil van Dijk making mistakes. Konate, Conor Bradley, Robertson, McAllister, Gravenberch. Bro, everyone. How do you even analyze a game like that? Everyone dropped the stinker. Everyone. There's no point singling out a player. And for me, I'm just saying as a rival, nah, man. You guys are done out here. I thought that, you know, maybe Liverpool had a bit of momentum, you know, beating Aston Villa comfortably, slapping up, you know, well, the scoreline didn't reflect it, but on performance, Liverpool slapped up Real Madrid. And then they put a lackluster performance like that against Man City. Do you know what I mean? It's I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how certain Liverpool fans could still be slotting. I know he won you the league last season. That was last season. Where in terms of his approach to games, he was a lot more versatile in his approach. He knew how to play, get the most out of certain players. And right now, is he getting the most out of Wirtz? Is he getting the most out of Salah? It's all looking crazy, man. This press, high line, all this type of stuff. It's just exposing Liverpool. But Slot has come out and said it before. After games, this is the way he prefers to play. And it's like, This is the problem. It looks great when you pull it off, but you need a balance. And it kind of reminds me a little bit of the way, not completely, because we wasn't this inconsistent so early on in the season, 22-23 season of Arsenal. We're playing really good attacking football. But all Arteta needed to do at the crunch end of the season was adjust and play a bit more pragmatic and see out certain games, because we was getting caught out defensively at times. We lost 1-0 to Nottingham Forest. Slot just needs to adjust the system a little bit and be a little bit. I don't know why he's not doing it. I don't know why he's not doing it. And this is the thing. And this is the thing. It's just gun ho. Press. Even when your press ain't doing nothing, they're beating the press. Just press. For me, I don't see things changing. I don't see this guy getting it right this season. And I don't know. I can't tell Liverpool fans how to feel, but the fact that you guys are level on points with Man United, a Man United that lost to, you know what I mean? A Man United team that ain't that great. They lost to Grimsby this season. Let's not forget about that. That's poor, man. That's poor. I'm sorry. How is Tottenham how is Tottenham and Sunderland above you? How is Sunderland and Tottenham above the champions, last season's champions? That's mad, bro. That is actually mad. I can't even lie. Yeah, I mean, I can't even lie. Arsenal are 8 points ahead of you. I don't know. Listen, I'm saying this because I have a lot of respect for Liverpool club, one of the most successful clubs in this country. Yeah, I mean, 6-time Champions League winner. Listen, I respect Liverpool, but bro, listen, anyone that watches my channel knows that I want to be taking this for my club. I've been saying that I don't want Arteta here at Arsenal. I've been calling out my manager. I've been saying if he doesn't win a major honour this season, get out. I've been saying that I wanted him out from years ago. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just sticking to the standards. Like, and Liverpool, whether I like it or not, are a bigger club than Arsenal. For some of the fans, what I've seen from some of the fans justifying it and defending it, that's crazy. That's crazy. You can't justify it. The manager's had enough support. He's had enough backing. He's had enough money. He's got the players that he wanted. And the performances, bro, they're too all over the place. Too all over the place. There's no way this squad should be anywhere near Man United in the table. Nowhere near, bro. Let's just keep it honest. But it is what it is. For me, if I was a Liverpool fan, I'd be slot out at this point. I would have been slot out before, to be honest. I told Don Hussain, big up Don Hussain. Well, I didn't tell him, but I commented on what he said. He said he'd give it till Aston Villa. I would have been slot out before the Aston Villa. I'd been like, nah. This is crazy. This can't continue. Honestly, listen, it's not my club, but I'm just giving an honest analysis on the game, on Liverpool so far this season. You just can't have performances like, you know, Atleti, Madrid, Frankfurt, and then be dropping stinkers like this against Man City, Man United, Brentford, Chelsea, and Palace on twice this season, and say, yo, the manager, he just needs time. Nah. This is on slot. This has to be on slot. The stupidity is on slot. But it is what it is. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this this situation with Liverpool? Would you still give Slot time? Do you think it's time to go? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. And I'm out, familia. Love.